Okay, so hi guys, Sulik here from Sulik's Marketing, and I'm back with another review video. And today the product that I'll be reviewing is called Warlord's Secret. And what this product does in a nutshell is that it will actually show you this hidden traffic source that will actually help you to get some crazy commissions into your bank account. So let's get right into it. Okay, so welcome back guys to my YouTube channel where I review IT products, cloud-based softwares, teach you how to make money online, and will also provide you guys with training videos so that you can scale your business to the next level. And today, the product that I'll be reviewing is called Warlord's Secret, and this is actually a product by Philip Johansson, Dan Kahn, Robin Palmer, and also Will Weatherly. So this is actually a collaboration with these four amazing affiliate marketers, and it is set to release on the 14th of September 2021 at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Oops. And as you can see, what I'm showing you right now is actually the members area. But before I show you my members area, if you just click the first link down in the description box below, you'll be brought to my bonus page, which will look like this. So this is my bonus page, which I've created. And as you can see, it will show you how Will makes $348 a day by tapping into a backdoor traffic site with 330 million buyers. And to just tell you what it is actually Quora. So I'm pretty sure you've heard of this, and it's something like Reddit, but then much more discussion heavy. And this is where you'll be able to access this amazing quantity of buyers. And you can also duplicate his exact results within just minutes. So as you can see, this bonus page will actually expire in 3 days and 16 hours and 57 minutes. So do make sure you actually click the first link down in the description box below before this countdown timer runs down to 0, because I don't want you to actually miss out on this amazing product. And so first and foremost, what is Warlord's Secret all about? So as you can see, this is actually a results-backed method that Will has been using for over months. And then he's actually using Quora, which is the hidden traffic source, to get thousands of views, leads, and sales to all of his links. So there is also a software inside. So this is the software that Robin Palmer has actually created to automate this whole process. So you yourself don't even have to do any work. All you have to do is just one click. That's literally it. And then before I get into the prices and all of the good stuff, I'll be showing you the amazing bonuses that I've actually prepared. So first and foremost, I'll be showing you Jono's YouTube's ad score. So this is where for bonus number 1, you'll be able to actually make money using the ads which you usually see when you're watching a video. And I know what you're thinking. They are so annoying to see. But that's the thing. Like when people actually click on the skip button, the creator of the ad makes money from it. And also if they click on the links, they will also make commissions from that. So there are literally two different methods you can actually make money with YouTube using this one bonus alone. And then bonus number 2 will actually be build your buyers list while profiting at the same time. So it's very important to actually build an email list, because literally the money is in the list, and it will actually have the highest return of investment and also return of time. So the more time and effort you put into it, the higher the number of members will be in your list, and you'll be able to make insane money from that, because you literally have a on tap traffic. Like it's your personalized traffic which no one can take away from you. And then bonus number 3 will actually be how to make an email capture. So this will be where you can actually create a squeeze page in order to make to make it look very aesthetic, so that people will want to actually subscribe to your email list. So that's very important to do, especially for Quora, because it's actually very intact with what we are going to be which I will be showing you right in a second. And then bonus number 4 will be get high ticket mastery. So this is only for the first 24 hours. So by the 14th of September 2021 at by the 15th of September 2021 at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, I will be taking this bonus down for good, because this will literally show you how to make like $1,000 in a matter of days. Because after you actually go through the training which is present inside here, you'll be able to get all of the knowledge from this super affiliate marketer, and how is it that he himself makes this these amazing commissions with just one sale. And that is the best part. And then bonus number 5 will be all of the vendor bonuses that all of them have actually provided you guys with, and I'll be showing it to you very shortly. And so what you'll have to do is just click on any of these yellow buttons. So this yellow button, or this yellow button, or any of these yellow buttons, and you'll be brought to the sales page, which will look like this. And as you can see, this is what the sales page looks like. It's very well made, and I do recommend you to watch this video here in your own time. I won't be going through the sales page in detail, because I want to focus on the members area. But Philip and Dan are actually very creative with the video, so I really do love it. And so you just have to and I'll be showing you the bonuses which they have actually provided you guys with. So they've actually provided some amazing bonuses, And as you can see, these are some amazing results that they have gotten. So today, Will himself has actually made $348, which I actually showed on the bonus page itself. So it's some amazing stuff right here. And these are just some of the testimonials that they have provided, and it's amazing. So these are the bonuses that they'll be providing. So bonus number one, it will be direct access to Backdoor Master. So you'll get actually DM direct message access to all of them. And trust me, if you are able to get and tap into their minds, you're literally getting years of experience in literally minutes, like just with your phone itself or even your laptop. So that is literally the reason why this is valued at close to $2,000. Absolutely insane. And then bonus number two will be how they've actually made $43,000 in 7 days, and this will actually be a free training on how they've done so. Absolutely crazy. And then bonus number three will be free training, high ticket training worth $1,997. So if you pair this bonus number three along with my bonus number four on high ticket mastery, you'll be able to get even more knowledge and therefore guarantee your success rate to actually make high ticket sales, which is absolutely crucial if you want to actually make it big in the affiliate marketing industry. And then bonus number four will be unfair advantage in business and life custom training. So this will be where they will be showing you how you can actually become successful in your internet marketing business and all of the tricks inside it. Then bonus number five will be instant approval to promote Warlord Secrets. So you'll be able to make $400 in commissions per sale when you promote our Warlord Secrets, and now you actually have the tools to do it. So it's absolutely amazing. So they have actually provided 5 bonuses, and I provided you guys with 4 bonuses. So with a total of 9 bonuses, you just have to click the first link down in the description box below to access all of these amazing bonuses. So all you have to do is just click on any of these buttons right here, and you'll be brought to the members area. And before I do so, you can see that there is this 30-day unconditional money back guarantee. So you can try this amazing product for 100% risk free for the first 30 days, because they are so confident in this product that they don't want you to miss out on this once in a lifetime opportunity. So let me get right into the members area. Oh, and I almost forgot. Yeah. So there is also this 30% discount, but I'll be showing it to you later on. So that'll be something that you will definitely not want to miss out on. So as you can see, this is actually the members area, and this is just the welcome from Philip and Dan. Then this is where it was actually one of the bonuses which they have provided. So this is the $43,000 in 7 days. Then this is the case study. So this is the case study of Will himself, and how is it that he has made this amount of money. So there you go, that is Will right here, and you'll be able to access how is it that he was even able to do so. And this is the overview, so what you can actually expect from the main training. So there you go, this is the main training. And so what you will be learning from the main training is how to actually identify buyer questions. So it's very important for you to think in their shoes. Then also navigating your search, then ninja keyword techniques. So this is where you'll be able to like differentiate yourself from other people and be a ninja literally. And then additional keyword hacks, and then content generation, and then also staying safe on Quora, and also how to get monetized, and also 3 times your traffic, which everyone wants. And this is the automation software that Robin has actually made, and you'll be able to actually get this amazing product. And this will actually be your auto poster. So it's absolutely amazing, and it really pairs very nicely with Quora. I've actually tried it, and it really worked like a charm. And then there's also the upgrades. So there's the pro version done for you, unlimited traffic mastery and reseller rights, which I'll be showing you later. And these are the unannounced bonuses. So you can actually make $500 from simple YouTube videos, and I'll be showing all of the prices and upsells right now. So all you have to do is just go to the bonus page, and it will be over here. So on the front end, Warlord Secrets will actually be $12.95, but then do beware for the discount that you'll be seeing over here. So all you have to do is just load the sales page, and then after you just click away from the sales page, so you click on any other tab, just hover over it, this drop down will come, and you'll be able to qualify for a 30% discount. So you'll be getting it at around $9.10, and that's literally like 3 coffees right there. So it's super cheap and it's super effective. So you'll be able to make your money back like many folds. Then I will definitely recommend upsell number 1, which is the pro version, and you'll be able to get it for just $17 on the downsell. So do make sure you get the downsell prices for all of this, and you'll be able to boost 10 times his traffic with no extra effort and get more traffic in less time. And then upsell number 2 will be the done for you. So if you are like if you don't want to put that much effort into it, I will also recommend this amazing upsell. So you'll be able to get it for $27, and they will actually show you hundreds of resources, then they will literally give it to you. So the templates you need, and then also hundreds of keywords, softwares, emails, and done for you reviews and funnels as well. So basically all of the stuff that Will Weatherly has actually created and was able to generate $348 amazing dollars on Quora itself. Then upsell number 3 will be unlimited traffic. So for $67 on the downsell, you'll be able to actually get thousands of buyers every single day when they actually visit your sales pages through your affiliate link of ours. And then upsell number 4 will be traffic mastery. So this will be $37 on the downsell, and you'll be able to actually get some crazy value from this. And they will be using some proven strategies from high earning marketers on the planet, and they will actually apply it to your business. So they'll be teaching you how you can actually do so. And then upsell number 5 will be reseller rights, and this will be $47. And the best part is you'll get 100% commissions, and you can actually sell it as if it's your own. And that's the reason why they're saying you can double the profits, because you'll be able to see literally 2 times the amount of commissions if you were not if you actually did not pick up this upsell number 5. And you'll be able to get all of the amazing commissions from all of this funnel as well. So as you can see, this whole funnel, you'll be able to get 100% worth of commissions from this entire funnel. So that's absolutely amazing. And here are some key benefits you may be interested in getting. So it's 100% beginner friendly, and you can get traffic to any link. No further investments are required, and there is literally no learning curve. It's literally just copy and paste. And so just to recap, what you have to do is just click the first link down in the description box below. Then you'll be brought to my bonus page right here. And after that, you just have to click on any of these yellow buttons. So after you click on this yellow button right here, you'll be brought to the sales page, which will look like this. And do make sure you actually hover over another tab, then this drop down will come. So you can actually click on this red button right here, and after you have actually clicked on this button, you'll be brought to the Warrior Plus page where you can make your purchase. And after you do make your purchase, you will see a page which looks something like this. So let me just scroll down. There you go. So this is what the page will look like. And if you click on this access affiliate bonus, this blue button right here, you'll be able to access all of the amazing bonuses that they've provided you guys with. So the 5 bonuses that Philip, Dan, Robin, and also Will have actually provided you guys with. And then by clicking on access your purchase is where you can actually access their bonuses as well as my bonuses. So do not miss out on that. And so that will, and just to recap, the bonuses that I'll be providing will be bonus number 1, access Jono's YouTube ads course. Bonus number 2, it will be build your buyers list while profiting. Bonus number 3, it will be how to make an email capture. And then bonus number 4, it will be get the high ticket mastery. So only for the first 24 hours. So by the 15th of September 2021 at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, I will be taking this bonus down for good, because it's going to be in very high demand. And I don't want you to actually miss out on it. So get it as soon as you can. And bonus number 5, the 5 amazing bonuses that they have actually provided you guys with. And so that'll be it for my review video today, guys. I do hope you've understood a thing or two about Warlord Secrets. And if you are interested in getting it, which I highly recommend, do make sure you click the first link down in the description box below, and you will not regret this purchase. And also do actually click on the subscribe button, which should be appearing on your video right now. And also check out another review video of mine. I'm sure you'll find a lot of value in it. And also comment down below what review video you want to see me do next, or if you have any questions you want me to clarify. And also click on the bell icon to be notified of when I'll be posting next. And also smash the thumbs up button, because it really does help with the YouTube algorithm. So that'll be it for today, guys. Sulek here from Sulek's Marketing, and peace.